Good morning. So today I thought I'd come on ever so quickly and talk to you about taking knitting needles on planes. Now, I watch quite a lot of knitting and crochet podcasts, and all I see at this time of year is people planning to go on their travels, packing their knitting bags and packing their projects and working out what they're going to take, and then going on to say, of course, I'm not sure if I can take my knitting needles on the plane. You can fly with knitting needles. You do not have to put them in your case. They can be in your hand luggage. I have been flying with my knitting for about 6 years. I have never ever had my knitting needles taken away from me, and I have never lost a single item of my knitting. You don't need to take wooden or bamboo needles. You can take any needles you like. They don't have to be interchangeable. Now, if you don't believe me, you can check out my research. I'm going to grab my notebook because I've written this down and I'm actually going to read it out so that I know that I've got it correct. So I have been on the Australian Government Department of Home Affairs, the Canadian Air Transport Security Site, the UK Civil Aviation Authority, the Transport Security Administration, so the American TSA, and the Australian Border Force. I have also checked out all of the UAE and the Emirates lines. So I've checked out the airlines individually, and I've checked out all the big boards and organisations that govern what they can and can't allow you to take on planes. On every single site it says that knitting needles are allowed on planes. And you know what? You can even take scissors too, as long as the blade isn't any more than 2.5 centimetres. So please stop worrying. You're not going to lose your favourite needles. You're not going to have to pull off the work that you've been working on. You are going to be allowed to knit on a plane. So that is my top tip today. Stop worrying, enjoy knitting, but make sure that when you do, you have a G&T or two as well.